Hello guys, welcome to my channel TechMachine. In this video I am going to show you how can you take a screenshot in Windows 10. So if you want to enable or disable on screen keyboard on your Windows, so press this I button on the right top corner of your video. So without wasting time, let's get started. So you have to press Windows plus print screen to take a screenshot. So then after taking a screenshot, it will be download. It will be located. You can locate it from go. You have to go to pictures and then go to screenshots, and then here it is that I have picked up a screenshot. So thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel Tech Machine, and do not forget to press the bell icon, and if you want to see my two more videos, then click on these two boxes. So thank you.